Australian cattle dogs and karting, harnessing their strength for work and fun. Australian cattle dogs are known for their strength, endurance, and herding instincts. These qualities make them the perfect candidates for the activity of karting, which involves pulling a cart or sled. In this video, we will explore the use of Australian cattle dogs in karting and discuss the benefits it brings to both the dogs and their owners. Karting is not only a great way to harness the natural abilities of Australian cattle dogs, but it also provides them with a fulfilling and engaging activity. By participating in karting, these dogs can put their strength to work while enjoying a fun and challenging task. It allows them to channel their energy and focus into a productive outlet, keeping them mentally and physically stimulated. For dog owners, karting offers a unique opportunity to bond with their Australian cattle dogs. Through training and working together, a strong sense of trust and teamwork is developed. The shared experience of karting strengthens the bond between the dog and their owner, creating a deeper connection and understanding. History of Australian cattle dogs. The history of Australian cattle dogs is a fascinating tale that showcases their evolution as a working breed and their exceptional qualities that make them ideal for tasks like karting. These dogs were originally developed in Australia in the 19th century to handle the challenging task of herding cattle in the harsh and rugged Australian outback. The Australian cattle dogs, also known as Blue Heelers or Queensland Heelers, were bred by crossing various breeds like the Collie, Dalmatian, and Australian Kelpie. The result was a breed that possessed the intelligence, agility, and endurance required to work in demanding conditions. One of the most remarkable characteristics of Australian cattle dogs is their herding instinct. They have an innate ability to control and move livestock, making them invaluable on farms and ranches. This natural herding instinct also translates well to karting activities, where they can utilize their strength and determination to pull carts or sleds. Australian cattle dogs are known for their exceptional work ethic and unwavering loyalty to their owners. They are highly trainable and thrive when given a job to do. Their intelligence and eagerness to please make them quick learners, which is essential when training them for karting. These dogs have a strong and sturdy build, with a muscular body and a powerful jaw. Their compact size and low center of gravity give them the stability needed to pull heavy loads. Their coat is weather-resistant, protecting them from the elements during outdoor activities like karting. Overall, the history of Australian cattle dogs is a testament to their resilience, adaptability, and versatility. From their humble beginnings as working dogs in the Australian outback to their role in karting activities, these dogs have proven themselves to be invaluable companions and partners in various tasks. Introduction to karting. Introduction to karting. Karting is an activity that involves pulling a cart or sled, and it can be a great way to harness the natural strength and herding instincts of Australian cattle dogs. This activity provides a fulfilling outlet for their energy and can be adapted to suit their unique characteristics. When it comes to karting, Australian cattle dogs excel due to their strong build and endurance. They have a natural instinct to herd and pull, making them well suited for this activity. By engaging in karting, these dogs can channel their energy and utilize their physical abilities in a productive and enjoyable way. Karting can be adapted for Australian cattle dogs by using specialized equipment such as a cart or sled and a harness. The dog is then trained to pull the cart or sled, following commands from their handler. This not only provides mental and physical stimulation for the dog, but also strengthens the bond between the dog and their owner. Through karting, Australian cattle dogs can engage in a purposeful activity that taps into their natural instincts. It allows them to use their strength and herding abilities in a controlled and structured manner. Additionally, karting provides an opportunity for these dogs to work alongside their owners, fostering a sense of teamwork and collaboration. Overall, karting is a fantastic way to channel the energy and drive of Australian cattle dogs while providing them with a fulfilling and enjoyable activity. It allows them to utilize their natural strength and herding instincts, all while strengthening the bond with their owner. Training Australian cattle dogs for karting. So, if you're looking for a fun and productive way to engage your Australian cattle dog, consider giving karting a try. When it comes to training Australian cattle dogs for carting, there are a few important tips and techniques to keep in mind. These dogs are highly intelligent and eager to please, making them excellent candidates for learning the skills necessary for carting. First and foremost, it is crucial to establish clear and consistent commands for your Australian cattle dog. Start with basic obedience training, teaching them commands such as sit, stay, and heel. These commands will serve as the foundation for more advanced carting training. Next, you'll need to introduce your dog to the equipment used in carting. This includes a cart or sled, a harness, and a pulling strap or rope. It's important to choose equipment that is properly fitted and comfortable for your dog. Take the time to acclimate your Australian cattle dog to the harness and cart, allowing them to sniff and explore the equipment before attempting to attach it to them. Once your dog is familiar with the equipment, you can begin practicing pulling exercises. Start with light loads and gradually increase the weight as your dog becomes more comfortable and confident. Use positive reinforcement techniques, such as treats and praise, to reward your dog for their efforts and progress. Safety is paramount when training Australian cattle dogs for carting. Always ensure that the harness is properly secured and that the weight being pulled is within your dog's capabilities. Avoid training in extreme weather conditions and be mindful of your dog's physical limitations. Regular breaks and hydration are essential to prevent overexertion. By following these tips and techniques, you can successfully train your Australian cattle dog to become proficient in carting. Remember to be patient, consistent, and positive in your training approach. With time and practice, you and your dog can enjoy the rewarding experience of carting together. Building strength and endurance. When it comes to carting, Australian cattle dogs need to have the strength and endurance to pull heavy loads over long distances. To ensure that your dog is up for the task, it's important to incorporate conditioning exercises and fitness routines into their training regimen. One effective way to build strength and endurance in Australian cattle dogs is through regular cardiovascular exercises. Activities such as running, swimming, and playing fetch can help improve their overall fitness level and stamina. These exercises not only work their muscles, but also help to strengthen their heart and lungs, enabling them to perform better during carting activities. In addition to cardiovascular exercises, it's important to include strength training exercises in your dog's routine. This can be done through exercises such as weight pulling, where your dog gradually pulls heavier loads to build up their strength. You can start with a lightweight sled or cart and gradually increase the weight as your dog becomes more comfortable and stronger. Another effective way to build strength and endurance is through agility training. This type of training involves navigating obstacle courses, which helps to improve your dog's coordination, balance, and overall strength. It also provides mental stimulation, which is important for keeping your dog engaged and motivated during carting activities. Lastly, don't forget to incorporate rest and recovery days into your dog's training schedule. Just like humans, dogs need time to rest and recover in order to avoid overexertion and injuries. Giving your dog regular breaks and providing them with proper nutrition and hydration will help ensure that they stay healthy and strong. By incorporating conditioning exercises, cardiovascular workouts, strength training, and agility training into your Australian cattle dog's routine, you can help them develop the strength and endurance required for successful carting activities. Remember to start slow and gradually increase the intensity of the exercises to avoid injuries and to always prioritize your dog's safety and well-being. Introducing the cart and harness. Introducing the cart and harness to Australian cattle dogs is a crucial step in their training for carting activities. It is essential to ensure that the dog has a positive and comfortable experience while becoming familiar with the equipment. Here are some guidelines to follow when introducing the cart and harness. Start by allowing the dog to sniff and investigate the cart and harness in a controlled environment. This will help them become familiar with the new objects and reduce any potential anxiety. Gradually introduce the harness by first placing it on the dog without attaching it to the cart. Allow them to wear the harness for short periods of time, gradually increasing the duration as they become more comfortable. Use positive reinforcement techniques, such as treats and praise, to create a positive association with the cart and harness. Reward the dog for calm and relaxed behavior around the equipment. Once the dog is comfortable wearing the harness, begin introducing the cart. Start by attaching the cart to the harness without any weight. Allow the dog to walk and become accustomed to the feeling of pulling the cart. Progressively add weight to the cart as the dog becomes more confident and comfortable. Start with lightweight objects and gradually increase the load over time. Always supervise the dog during the introduction process and ensure their safety at all times. Monitor their body language and behavior for any signs of discomfort or stress. Remember, patience and consistency are key when introducing the cart and harness to Australian cattle dogs. By following these guidelines and providing a positive and comfortable experience, you can help your dog develop the necessary skills and confidence for successful carting activities. Carting is a bonding activity. Carting can be more than just a physical activity for Australian cattle dogs and their owners. It can also serve as a powerful bonding experience, strengthening the trust, teamwork, and connection between them. When engaging in carting, the dog and their owner work together as a team, relying on each other's cues and communication. This collaborative effort fosters a deeper understanding and mutual respect between them. The dog learns to trust their owner's guidance and direction, while the owner gains a greater appreciation for their dog's intelligence and willingness to work. Carting requires coordination and synchronization between the dog and their owner. As they navigate obstacles and maneuver the cart, they develop a unique bond built on cooperation and shared goals. This shared experience strengthens their relationship and creates a sense of unity. Furthermore, carting provides an opportunity for quality time spent together. As the dog and their owner engage in this activity, they are able to enjoy each other's company, creating cherished memories and deepening their connection. The shared adventure and sense of accomplishment can create a strong emotional bond between them. Overall, carting offers Australian cattle dogs and their owners a chance to not only work together but also grow together. Through trust, teamwork, and a deeper connection, carting can strengthen the bond between these remarkable dogs and their human companions. Carting competitions and events. Carting competitions and events offer Australian cattle dogs the opportunity to showcase their skills and abilities in a competitive setting. These events provide a platform for these remarkable dogs to demonstrate their strength, agility, and obedience while engaging in a fun and exciting activity. There are various types of carting competitions that Australian cattle dogs can participate in. One popular type is the weight pulling competition, where dogs are harnessed to a sled or cart and must pull a certain amount of weight for a specified distance. This test of strength and endurance showcases the incredible power and determination of these dogs. Another type of competition is the obstacle course, where dogs navigate through a series of obstacles while pulling a cart. This requires not only physical strength, but also agility and coordination. Australian cattle dogs are known for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities, which can give them an edge in these types of events. To excel in carting competitions, Australian cattle dogs must possess certain skills and qualities. They should have a strong work ethic and a natural drive to please their handlers. Obedience and responsiveness to commands are crucial, as the dog must be able to follow instructions while pulling the cart. Additionally, Australian cattle dogs should have good endurance and stamina to perform well in these events. Regular conditioning exercises and fitness routines can help them build the necessary strength and endurance. Mental preparation is also important, as the dog needs to stay focused and calm during the competition. Participating in carting competitions and events not only allows Australian cattle dogs to showcase their abilities, but also provides a great opportunity for their owners to bond with them. The teamwork and trust required in these activities strengthen the bond between the dog and their handler, creating a deeper connection and understanding. Overall, carting competitions and events are a thrilling and rewarding experience for Australian cattle dogs and their owners. They offer a chance to celebrate the unique skills and capabilities of these remarkable dogs while enjoying the excitement of competition. Preparing for competitions. Preparing for competitions. When it comes to preparing Australian cattle dogs for carting competitions, there are several key factors to consider. Training strategies, conditioning exercises, and mental preparation all play a crucial role in ensuring that your dog is ready to excel in these events. Training strategies. Start by establishing a strong foundation of basic obedience commands such as sit, stay, and come. These commands will serve as the building blocks for more advanced carting training. Gradually introduce your dog to the cart and harness, allowing them to become familiar with the equipment and comfortable with its presence. Practice pulling exercises, gradually increasing the weight of the load over time. This will help your dog build the necessary strength and endurance for carting competitions. Work on refining the specific commands used in carting, such as forward, stop, and turn. Consistency and positive reinforcement are key in reinforcing these commands. Conditioning exercises. Physical fitness is essential for carting competitions. Incorporate conditioning exercises into your dog's routine to help them build strength and endurance. Engage in regular walks, gradually increasing the distance and intensity to improve cardiovascular fitness. Include strength-building exercises such as uphill climbs, stair climbing, and obstacle courses to develop the muscles needed for pulling. Consider incorporating activities such as swimming or agility training to enhance overall fitness and coordination. Mental preparation. Carting competitions can be mentally demanding for both the dog and their handler. Help your Australian cattle dog prepare mentally for these events. Expose your dog to different environments and situations to build their confidence and adaptability. Practice focus and concentration exercises to ensure that your dog can remain attentive and responsive in distracting competition settings. Create a positive and supportive training environment, using rewards and praise to reinforce desired behaviors and build a strong bond with your dog. By following these training strategies, incorporating conditioning exercises, and focusing on mental preparation, you can help your Australian cattle dog reach their full potential in carting competitions. Remember to always prioritize the safety and well-being of your dog throughout the training process. Participating in carting events. Participating in carting events with Australian cattle dogs can be an exciting and rewarding experience for both the dog and their handler. Before entering a carting competition, it is important to familiarize yourself with the rules and regulations of the event. Each competition may have its own set of guidelines, so make sure to carefully read and understand them to ensure a smooth and successful participation. The judging criteria in carting events typically focus on the dog's performance, obedience, and teamwork with their handler. Dogs are evaluated based on their ability to pull the cart or sled, follow commands, maintain control, and demonstrate good manners throughout the event. It is important to train and prepare your Australian cattle dog to excel in these areas, as it will greatly impact their performance and chances of success in the competition. When participating in a carting event, both the dog and their handler can expect an exhilarating and challenging experience. The atmosphere is often filled with excitement and camaraderie among fellow participants. It is a great opportunity to showcase the hard work and training you have put into your Australian cattle dog, while also learning from and being inspired by other carting enthusiasts. During the event, make sure to stay focused and maintain a strong connection with your dog. Clear and effective communication is key to navigating the course and completing the tasks at hand. Remember to stay calm and composed, as your dog will pick up on your energy and respond accordingly. Overall, participating in carting events with Australian cattle dogs can be a thrilling and memorable experience. It allows you to showcase the unique skills and abilities of your dog while strengthening the bond between you and your furry companion.